Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Microsoft Teams to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so head on over to N8N and log into your account. From here, we want to go ahead and click on Create Workflow. Now we can go ahead and give this workflow a name. I'm just going to call this Microsoft Teams. Then from here, we want to go ahead and add a first step. So click on the plus icon, and then we need to search nodes. So just search for Teams or Microsoft Teams. Here it is here. Now we've got some triggers we can choose from or actions for this. I'm just going to go ahead and click on to create message. And now a little window should appear. So credential to connect with. So select credential, click on create new credential. From here, I want to go ahead and connect my account. So go ahead and click on connect my account. A little pop-up should appear and it should automatically log you into your Microsoft account. If it doesn't, just go ahead and go through the prompts. So I'm just going to go next. So yeah, it's basically going to sign you in. I'm going to click next again. All right, so yeah, I'm just going to create a passkey just to log in, make it a bit quicker. All right, so once this is finished, I'm going to press OK. Now it's going to say let this app access your info. We want to go ahead and click on accept to create this link. All right, then it should say connection successful. If we close out of here, we can see account connected. So when we click out of here, now if I exit out of here, it will see here it's connected. So Microsoft Teams is now connected to N8N. Now if we click on the plus icon, it will say what happens next. So yeah, we've got all these different options to start using Microsoft Teams in N8N.